Have you ever stared at your ceiling wondering why you're not good enough? It's time you realize that not everyone is as perfect as they appear on the outside. Sometimes we get so blinded by the appearances of celebrities and influencers that we never look at the other side of it. We have just one life, and choosing to live it by comparing yourself, being harsh on yourself, will just make every second of your life terrible. Hence, listen to your body, eat when you feel like, wear clothes that make you feel confident, and stop caring of what others have to say. We fail to realize that the people who bully us are just insecure themselves. How often have you hyped yourself up? You notice how you hype a total stranger but find it hard to do the same to yourself? You may have 0 comments on your posts, but in the end, does people telling how hot you look in that dress/shirt really make you happy? Yes, it probably does, but that's temporary happiness, right? How can we be permanently happy with ourselves? Find a hobby, get off social media for some time, find time for yourself and do things that makes you love yourself even more. If working out is what gives you that boost of confidence, go for it. Trust me, you'll come back 10 times stronger and confident. Tell yourself, I am worthy, I am good enough, I don't need people to tell me who I am, I know who I am. These small actions play a huge role in your self-esteem, and I have faith in you that you'll be happy with who you are one day.